Can you tell the difference? Now goes the other one. Oh crap. What's up everybody, Ryan with CPP Tech. I've got another cool thing for you guys today. The Corsair Vengeance Pro Light Enhancement Kit. So I had some, we did the snow build here and I had 64 gigs of RAM of that Viper steel RAM, but I went ahead and some of the sticks kind of broke on me for some reason. So I actually stole Mel's RAM, so I need to get Mel's RAM back into hers. So I went ahead and just picked up 2 sticks of 32 gigs for right now, and I'm going to actually replace this light enhancement kit with 32 more. But I figured right now would be a great time to showcase what these things really do and what they are. I mean, it looks just like a RAM, RAM sticks, but all they do is pretty much will light up and give you the RGB puke, right? So we're going to actually open these up, install them in midlife, put her RAM back in there, turn the XMP back on, and see what these things look like. So I'll be running those things in dual channel, and these will just go into DIM 1 and DIM 4 for right now, or DIM 1 and DIM 3. Yeah, DIM 1 and DIM 3. My apologies. So let's go ahead and cut over to midlife and put these turds in. All right, let's see what these bad boys look like. Look like just normal kits. All right, so that's that kit. And that's that kit. Can you tell the difference? Now goes the other one. Oh crap. That one sucks. Whoopsie. That's why you turn the power off. Fun times at CPP Tech. All right, so before I put it all back together, now we can turn it on. Go into XMP. Now I just put it back together and I'm good to go. Awesome! Alright guys, well that was kind of the installation of this light enhancement kit. Let me know down in the comments if you guys can tell the difference between this one and this one. This one and this one. These ones, it's a shell game. The only reason you can tell is if it says light enhancement kit. And it does say on the RAM stick itself on a little sticker. But let me know down in the comments below if you can tell the difference or not. With that being said, just be mindful if you guys are buying used RAM. These sticks are out there. I can't find the black ones. I only found the white ones, which it actually benefited me for this time. So, but I'll leave a link down below for you guys if you want to purchase it on Amazon. I've become an affiliate again, so this just helps the channel. No cost to you if you're actually going to purchase these or not. But I just thought I'd bring it along real quick. I bought them. So put them in, not do a video, but I figured, you know what the hey, let's go ahead and do a video on these things. They're not very much talked about in the tech world or the tech tuber world, to be honest. So anyway, I am going to replace those with another sticks or another set of 32 gigs here, but right now I'm just going to do with what I got. But anyway, like, subscribe, you know what to do. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.